Are you ready to unlock the secrets of manifesting your desires and achieving your goals? Have you been intrigued by the law of attraction and the teachings of Neville Goddard, but wondered how to truly put them into practice? Welcome to this transformative video that will take you on a journey of manifestation, success, and inner peace. With the power of Neville Goddard's wisdom, we will explore the path to manifesting your deepest desires and uncovering the keys to achieving remarkable success in all areas of your life. Get ready to dive into the power of scripting, a remarkable technique that allows you to craft your desired reality. Through the art of scripting, you will harness the creative force within you to manifest your dreams and turn them into tangible experiences. But it doesn't stop there. We will also delve into the crucial role of cultivating an empowered mindset for success. Discover how your thoughts and beliefs shape the world around you and learn strategies to reprogram your mind for unstoppable achievement. This video is an invitation to embark on a journey of inner transformation and motivation. Through the teachings of Neville Goddard, we will provide you with the tools, inspiration, and guidance to manifest your desires and unlock your full potential. So get comfortable, open your mind, and prepare to be inspired. Join us on this incredible adventure as we explore the profound teachings of Neville Goddard and the law of attraction. With this video as your guide, you will have all the resources and motivation you need to manifest your desires and reach your goals. Are you ready to step into a life of abundance, success, and fulfillment? Then this video is your gateway to a world where your dreams become your reality. Get ready to embrace the power within, transcend limitations, and start living the life of your dreams. The time has come to unlock your true potential. Get ready to manifest your desires and reach your goals. If you are new here, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for continuous flow of informative videos on manifestation. All right, let's begin this extraordinary journey together. Manifesting our desires can often feel like a long and difficult journey, but don't worry, you are not alone. Many people have gone before us on this path and experienced the same struggles. It is important to remember that our journey of manifesting our desires is a trial and error process with many ups and downs along the way. When we first start out, beginner's luck may give us that initial spark to help manifest our dreams. However, it is inevitable that over time we will find ourselves facing more obstacles as we travel further on in the manifestation process. It is during these times when it becomes even more important to accept where we currently are rather than pushing against it. This will save us precious energy needed for reality creation. Finding peace within ourselves, even during chaotic experiences, can also help immensely in continuing forward with manifesting your goals. Mindfulness practices such as meditation may be beneficial here too. Furthermore, instead of thinking about what you want from a place of lack, anger, fear, etc., try approaching it from a mindset of already having achieved it. This will instead help draw towards you your desired outcome rather than away from it. The journey of manifesting your desires can often be challenging at times, but with the right mindset and attitude towards yourself and your goals, success is possible. Remember to always stay positive throughout your life-changing experience by utilizing Neville Goddard's law of assumption or law of attraction. Through visualization techniques and affirmations. These are surefire ways to get closer to achieving those desires which have been set in motion by taking action steps. Scripting is a powerful tool that can bring your dreams into existence. It involves visualizing and writing out a scene as if it has already occurred, embodying the emotions of success and aligning yourself with it. In this video, we will discuss how you can use scripting to harness the power of manifestation and create the life of your dreams using Neville Goddard's teachings. The first step in scripting is to adopt the characteristics and emotions of someone who has already achieved their goal. For example, if you are struggling with money, act like someone who is abundant. Embody their attitude towards wealth when scripting scenarios related to money. This will help create a shift in identity, as we are all capable of becoming anything our hearts desire. All we need to do is change our focus. The next step in achieving success through scripting is to disassociate from what is going wrong and focus on creating positive feelings about what you desire instead. Negativity will only attract more negativity onto your path, so ensure that any feelings or thoughts associated with failure or lack are replaced by positive ones, such as hope or faith. It is important to recite affirmations regularly, as they can help reprogram our subconscious minds, which ultimately hold immense power when it comes to manifesting our goals into reality. Our feelings and emotions are directly linked to the subconscious mind, which can make or break any future plans for success. Be sure to cultivate optimism, no matter how difficult things may seem at times, and take comfort in knowing that even though struggles may feel challenging right now, they will not last forever. So start writing those scripts today. Who knows where this journey might take you? Manifesting desires is a powerful concept that can be applied to achieve almost any goal. However, it's important to remember that manifestation is just as powerful for you as it is for anyone else. You simply have to make sure your mind remains in the right space. Neville Goddard said, "The law of assumption works for everyone regardless of religion or race, and this includes you too." Rather than believing that manifestation isn't possible, focus on putting yourself and your thoughts in an empowered position with positive energy. Take steps to cultivate a mindset that allows manifestation to occur and integrate this into daily practice. This could involve writing down affirmations or visualizing the outcome you want, whatever works best for you. A successful journey of manifestation also requires consistency and dedication. Be mindful of staying motivated and inspired. If you want results quickly, use visual aids like videos or books to become immersed in the concept of manifesting desires. Regularly assess your thinking patterns and be conscious of any doubts or negative thought spirals that could disrupt manifesting progress. It's important not to give up when entities don't appear immediately. Trust the process, as every step counts towards success. Remain open-minded about how manifestations can come about. Something may come along from an unexpected source. Manifestation can help unlock doors leading to long-lasting success. Take action today by cultivating an empowered mindset now. As we come to the end of this incredible video, remember that the journey of manifesting your desires may be long and winding, but the rewards that await you are absolutely worth it. With the right mindset and attitude, you possess the power to achieve anything you set your mind to. Neville Goddard's teachings provide the transformative guidance you need to cultivate an empowered mindset for success and to create your desired reality through the power of scripting. Now, it's your turn to take action. Start implementing these principles into your life today. Embrace the power within you and unleash your full potential. Believe in yourself, trust the process, and watch as your dreams effortlessly unfold. If you enjoyed this video and found value in the teachings shared, we kindly request that you hit the like button and share it with others. Your support enables us to continue creating transformative content and spreading the knowledge that empowers lives. Thank you for joining us on this marvelous journey. May you be blessed with boundless abundance and eternal happiness.